Hey guys, Larry here with Creaky Chair Models. I have in the shop with me today, Jeffrey Barker. Say hi to the team, Jeff.
Hi, team.
Anyway, Jeff had asked me to build the servo control module I did a video a couple of days ago of for this little ON30 module. Jeff, it's 30 inches, right? The module? Yes, 30 inches. And we have a Pico, HO Pico turnout here. And we've got the servo in. It's temporarily put in. We have some shims holding it in place. We're going to trim those up, and eventually this will all be scenicked over. There'll be a small building on top of this, but this is going to be the showpiece module so that be buttons on each side. So whatever side the thing is put in, you'll be able to flip the toggle switch, which I have a simulation right here, and the servo will throw. Jeff and I, discussing it, decided that we wanted to leave the spring in on the Pico just because this thing goes to shows and anything that can go wrong will. So with the spring, we're pretty much guaranteed it's going to work. Now, in most cases, I pull the spring out and the servo gives positive control. But in those cases, layouts don't move. So since this one does, we decided to leave the springs in. So you'll see it snap to the end. Right now, it's in the thrown position. I flipped the button, and you can see the servo move. The relay came on, and the switch went over to the through position. I flipped the switch the other direction, and the servo moves. The relay goes out, and the switch goes to the position. There's a small 20 thousandths wire right here that will be covered up with probably some tape and some scenery. You won't ever see it. But it seems to work pretty good. I could put a little bit larger wire in it, but we like the effect the way it is. So that's the end of the video. Hope you guys got something out of this. If you send me a private message, I will consider giving you the code. Actually, I would give you the code anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.